Meteorologist Joe Bastardi, well, our midwinter vacation is over and the weather is going to start acting up. Basically, it's going to be a battleground from Texas to New England this entire month, and much of the central part of the United States, especially the northern central plains, Great Lakes, are going to have a lot of winter weather coming up. It appears over the next 2 months. I mean, I think this is going to be late start, late end. Over the next 24 hours, you can see a snowstorm organized in the Rockies. Denver gets several inches. And then there's a big fight going on in the models further south. There's the European generated models. You can see with a swath of snow, Abilene over to Wichita Falls here to around Oklahoma City. Here's the remnants of the first batch of snow. So it falls apart. And then the following day, it looks like this. So you can see it staying north and west of the Metroplex. A little bit of snow in the Metroplex, but just enough to see it in the air. Um, and then it moves off to the northeast. So this is the time period ending Friday. So the snow total looks like this. I mean, that's a major snowstorm, all the way out from what is it, Fort Stockton out here. Looks like it's just south of Lubbock, Abilene, Lake Texoma, maybe. But Dallas Fort Worth escapes. Um, Now, the US generated model you can see is visibly further southeast and includes Dallas in the snow. So it's a close call. But the US generated model usually has a cold bias. You also see the extra snow falling here over the Great Lakes. Here's the freezing rain on the European. Here it is on the US model, further south and east. Again, it likes to have a cold bias. So that's something to keep in mind. Here's the sleet, and then it lifts up over here. Actually, is quite a bit of difference. The European has a pretty decent amount of sleet there, and the U.S. model does not have it across Texas. Texas is going to be the center point of extremes as far as winter weather goes. You don't normally have snowstorm threats like this in Dallas. Big ice storm in the Northeast Thursday. The snow is going to be pretty darn far north, as you can see over here. But this weekend may be a different story because after this storm goes by, another one's coming right out, and we could see a pretty significant snowstorm in these big Northeast, big ticket areas this upcoming weekend. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.